Hello there, back again. Yes, um, with the fourth Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, September the 21st, 2020. The fourth Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku, and this one will be a number 1580. Yes, 1580, and I have counted all the printed digits. This one, as usual, has 24 printed digits. You can count this. I have already counted. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 should be here. Or the, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here. Or there we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And then, I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see which number I can use. How about these 3 numbers in this row? One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. The 3 and the 5 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes in there. This big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have the 4 and the 5 in this column, so no 4 and the 5 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. That means we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing in the last column, and the 7 is missing in the last column. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. And now we have a pair again. We have a 4 and a 5 in the last column and 4 and 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 and the 5 should be here and there. As a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. That means the other 2 numbers in this column should be the 1 and the 2. Let me mark them, 1 and the 2. These 2 boxes in this big square also appear for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then, let me see. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the last row, so in the row between, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2. How about the 8 in this column, 8 in the second column? So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the row between, only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8, I need to wait. How about, let me see. 5 is 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved. In this big square are reserved for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 2? No, the 2 I cannot. Alright, how about these 2 numbers? The 1 is missing in this column and the 5 is missing in this column. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and 8 is missing. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 should be here. 1, 4 and the 6. Yes. Alright. How about these 3 numbers? 2 is missing, 4 is missing, and 6 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in the middle column for the numbers. 6 and 4. Yes, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be here. Then 2 boxes left in this row. The 6 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 6 and the 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row, the third row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them. It's a pair, 1 and a 4. How about these 2 numbers in this row, the 2 and the 4? We have a 4 here in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be the 1. Then 2. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left in this row. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this first column for the number 3. 1 number left in this second column for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 5. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 5. The 2 and the 5, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow! Faster than previous Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and faster than the 2-star Sudoku. I believe it's also faster than the 1-star Sudoku. So how could this be a 4-star Sudoku? I cannot believe this is a 4-star Sudoku. Faster than the other 3 Sudokus. That cannot be. Well, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you, take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later in a minute with the other four Sudokus. We are at the half. 2 tectonics and 2 binaries to come. See you. Bye bye for now.